the world didn't always agree on time. In fact, it almost collapsed because of it. At one point, noon in one city could be yesterday in another, and nobody thought that was a problem, until it was. In the 1800s, every town set its clock by the sun. When the sun reached its highest point, that was noon. But move just 15 kilometers east or west, and noon changed. Every town lived in its own time bubble, thousands of towns, thousands of times. Then something changed everything. Trains. Suddenly, people were crossing cities in hours, not days, and time stopped making sense. A train leaves at 12:07 and arrives at 12:03. Worse, trains crash because their clocks disagree. Time isn't just confusing anymore, it's dangerous. Railway companies panic. They invent something called the railway time. But now cities have multiple times. Church clocks say one thing, stations say another. People stop trusting time itself. So in 1884, 25 countries meet to answer one question. What time is it for the entire planet? They choose a single starting line, Greenwich, England, longitude 0. The world is divided into 24 invisible slices, each one an hour apart. Time zones are born. They aren't natural laws, they're agreements, rules we made to stop chaos. We invented it so the world could move forward together.